I love how they challenge us by not answering any questions.
I'm learning by doing.
It's exciting to see a master teacher really work with a group of educators, because it's something that you have to practice and work on and refine, and there's a total commitment to making each and every institute better than the last one.
We begin with a group of teachers from all grade levels, K through 12, and we start off with a common field experience to get everybody engaged in the river experience, observations and utilizing our senses. And then we break out into half-day sessions where we focus on different components of the watershed and the impacts of land with forestry, with macroinvertebrates with water sampling, and also the history of the river, where we do some geology investigations and stream tables to really paint a wide picture and scope of the watershed and river that we're studying.
Our focus of the center to look at rivers has been something that I've developed and fostered over the 20 years that I've been at the center. We've taken the Rivers Institute concept and taken it so it moves to a broader geographic area. So the idea that this year we have 4 institutes, one down in New Orleans, 2 in Minnesota, 1 on the St. Croix, 1 in Mississippi, and 1 on the Trinity River in Dallas-Fort Worth, shows that it's grown and that it's really been well received. But it also shows that the idea of a place-based institute is really a powerful and exciting opportunity.
I liked the tree activity, going out and taking some measurements on a tree and thinking about, like, how big is this tree, how old is this tree. Never had an opportunity to core a tree before, so you could do a synthesis of math and science by going out and mapping and measuring the trees and talking about diversity while including some mathematics, figuring out how tall the tree is.
At the end of the day, I'm so full of thinking about what I was thinking about all day and applying it. And I know last year I thought about it all summer and would bring out my journal throughout the year to remind myself, and I would go back in that place.
As a science instructor, I have, the curriculum is huge and we have a lot to cover, and it's good to be reminded to slow it down a little bit and give them time to focus on inquiry.
The one thing that was an aha for me was to have kids experience something and then go back and teach them, which was a complete flip from in the past where I would present all kinds of front-loaded material and stuff they had no ability to make any connections with. And I learned by doing last year that to explore something and just have this open-ended discovery and curiosity with no question or agenda led to a deeper learning experience. And I use that just sort of shift in thinking in my instruction in almost every lesson. And I think you can transfer all of those same practices. Go out and touch and smell and see and feel and write about and think about it wherever you are.
One thing that I'm experiencing here at the Rivers Institute compared to other in-service type activities is how hands-on it is. But ultimately, I'm here to be a learner. I'm here to always rethink and always sort of improve the craft of teaching. And that's what it's really about.